Alright traders, we're back for the start of the week and we're starting out pretty good. We got a trade in progress. It's the Euro Aussie and we got in on a Kumo Breakout right here. And as you can see right now we're in a 40 pip profit. But the thing about the trade, everything was good, and even though my Chiku span was above the price, my Chiku span is still within this Kumo here, and I need the Chiku span to break outside of that Kumo. But what I'm thinking will happen is we might hit this top of the Kumo here and retrace a little bit, retrace back down into this area. So I'm looking at this here. After this Chiku span hits the top here, we might get a retracement. And we have a pretty good run here. You see all these green candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green candles. So you might expect a pullback here. So what we'll do, we'll take the 43 pip profit and we'll leave some on the table and let it run, but we'll take a little bit off the table. Okay, but look, here's what we looked at. I wanted to get on the Kumo break. Okay, so I watched this trade and I seen that we bounced down here, and then I saw a price coming up like this, coming up, and then we have a TK cross right here, your Tenkan-sen and your Kijin-sen crossing. Okay, and that's a bullish cross. It's a normal sign because it's within the cloud, the Kumo cloud. Your Chiku span was above price, but like I said, you really wanted to break outside of this Kumo before you really get into a trade. But a lot of times I wait for it to break outside of the Kumo, and what happens is when it breaks outside of the Kumo, it's such a long run that it retraces, and then you have to wait. If you're on the 4-hour trade, on the 4-hour chart, it's quite a while before you get back into profit. So I took this trade right on the break here because I had to break, and this candle closed above the Kumo here, so I took that trade. And at the time I had my Kumo future was bullish, so I looked at that, and plus I look at this angle that it's going on. It's getting on a pretty nice angle here, and this could be a pretty good run here. What I'm going to look at is a couple areas to mark. This is going to be a area, the top of this candle's up here, and also the top of this Kumo. And there's other areas that I'm going to look at. I'll go to the daily chart and look at areas. But like I said, I got in on the Kumo break. I need this Chiku span to break the price. And if you're being following all the rules and you're being high probability trader, you want to wait for this to break outside of here. Okay, but then you may see a retracement. So if it breaks outside of there, you're gonna have to play it the way you want to play it. You can either get in here, and what I did, I got in here, and I know that my stop loss will be down here. But see, I have this 100 bar moving average right here, so that's a level that the market pays attention to a lot of times. So sometimes I put my stop loss underneath of that. I use that, but right now I have it underneath of the Kijun, and as the Kijun moves up, I'll move it up. Hopefully I can get it set up to it's above here. Now we're in the 44 pip profit right now, and this market is moving strong, and you could expect a pullback with strength like this, but it might run for a little while. So you can never know what the market's gonna do. You just have to follow your rules and follow your trade out. Okay, breaking this flat Kumo here was a big thing. That's hours and hours where this was running flat. This is, a matter of fact, a few days where this is flat. So that was a major support level here. I mean resistance level, since we were coming up. But now it'll be a good support level. So you could move your stop loss up to there and move it down just a little, because if price penetrates there and then comes back up. But to be safe, I have this 100 bar moving average. But like the rules say, you can follow the Kijun. So when that Kijun comes up here, you put your stop loss up here and just follow it like that. But like I said, the Kumo twist was a bullish twist, and my future is bullish, and it's on a very nice angle. So with that angle, you see the market in a nice trend. Okay, when you get that kind of an angle, we busted through a thick cloud, so that was a lot of resistance for us. So to bust through that cloud, the market had to have a lot of momentum to get through this thick cloud. And you see, these are 4-hour candles, so it took quite a while to get through there, and finally it got through there. And now with that momentum, I expect it to run, maybe pull back and then run again. Now what we'll do, we'll see what kind of a pullback we get. We'll put our Fibonacci ratio numbers in, and then we'll see what type of a pullback we get. If we get a small pullback or a deep pullback, and then what that'll let us know some ideas about what kind of strength we have in the market. Also, a lot of times you get a pullback retracement of 38.2 or lower, and that indicates that this strength right here is very strong, and you can expect the leg to still run on the next side once it breaks the your retracement level. um, that's about it right here. I told you I got this TK cross, it's bullish. I got a Kumo future that's bullish with a Kumo twist, and my Chico spans above the price, which was bullish, but it was inside the cloud. So you know a lot of times you want to wait for it to come outside of the cloud, but like I said, on these runs like this, when it comes outside of the cloud, it usually retraces because it's such a deep run. Okay, so you will be getting in like near the top, and then you have to wait again. So just wanted to show that, and I probably will update this a little later, maybe with just a few pictures, but I think I'm going to be in this trade for a while. The thing is, I'll take a little bit off on the pullback, and then I'll just follow it out. Okay, that's it, traders. Hopefully you're learning something. I'll keep trying to post trades and more information on the Ichimoku system, and hopefully you guys learned something here. And if you need any assistance or help, just let me know. Until next time, thanks and God bless.